Hi, my name is Dan Yoder with Kennedy Tank and Manufacturing. Wanted to take a second to show you guys a piece of technology that we've integrated here that's changed how we manage our production floor. So what we used to have is what you see in a lot of places. We had a big whiteboard, we'd write all of our jobs up here. We had tags over here for all our welders, all of our guys that work here, and we'd move them around as they moved around, or it's what we should have been doing. Obviously throughout the day that can be kind of hard to do. So what we did was we integrated a business intelligence program, linked it directly to our ERP system, and we're displaying it on this 86-inch screen. What that allows us to do is to instantly see where our workforce is. So we can visually see what customers have got the most number of guys working on them. Specifically, we can see who's here, what job they're punched in on, specifically what function they're on, as well as our guys that aren't here, and we can kind of tell where we're at with our estimated hours, which is how we estimate all of our jobs. Along with that, we're also able to plan things throughout our day, such as this is all of our milestones. So this is how we schedule our jobs. So we're able to see what we've got to accomplish this week at the beginning of the week. We're able to see what we completed last week, which is important. And more importantly, we can see are there ones that we've missed. One of the other screens that this allows us to show is going to be all of our in-house jobs. So this right here is every job that we have an order for, and it gives us a high-level information, who the supervisor is, who the salesman is that sold that particular job, engineer that's working on it, how many hours, when we've got to ship it by. This piece of technology, we've only had it on the wall for about 7 months. We're just getting started on it. We've seen a big decrease in our estimated actual hours, which is really allowing us to build these tanks more efficiently, have better quality, and just be a world-class tank fabricator.